The directions say, after reading each paragraph highlighted in green, fill in the blue chart to construct a one-sentence summary of the paragraph's key ideas. You may omit a section of the chart if it makes the sentence sound better, but do not leave out the subject or verb. An example is shown in the text for you. Let's go ahead and look at that example together. This paragraph is highlighted in green. It says, in the 1932 election, Paul von Hindenburg, who was already the president of Germany, was re-elected. Hitler came in second place, but neither man had a majority of the votes. Von Hindenburg was worried because the German people were still upset. They had no faith in the government. In 1933, he decided to appoint Hitler to be Chancellor of Germany so more people would trust the government. He thought Hitler would help him rebuild the country. Von Hindenburg was wrong about that assumption. So in the blue table, I need to fill in who did what, why, when, and where. The who and what boxes are mandatory. You can skip one of the why, when, or where boxes if it helps the sentence sound better. So this paragraph is mostly about Paul von Hindenburg. And what he did was that he appointed Hitler to be the chancellor. And it says that the reason that he did this was to gain the German people's trust. It also says that this happened in 1933. I could also add that this took place in Germany, but it's already implied because it was to gain the German people's trust. So you need to complete one of these here, one of these here for this paragraph, one of these on the 5th page next to the picture of Kristallnacht, one for the paragraph that begins World War II was still going on, one for this paragraph that begins in January 1942, one for the paragraph that begins the soldiers who found the camps were shocked, and this last paragraph here.